What?
What's up, kids?
It's Andrew here.
It's Andrew here, and I'm taking over Amy's YouTube channel for now.
This hashtag music video. It's a YouTube video. It sure is, champ. I messed up. Your YouTube video, Amy. You sure can, Allie.
Oh yeah, guys, we have to cross a bridge over a creek.
A bridge over a creek? That sounds mighty dangerous, pal.
Guys, we have to jump this puddle. Right here.
We're going this way?
Oh, wait, did we pass? Oh, we passed the bridge.
Oh my God, Andrew.
Oh, wow.
We got this.
If you really want to make good content, you have to.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's wet, guys.
I'm jumping over this. Shut. What are you doing? What? What do you want me to do?
Uh-oh.
Parkour. Guys, if you want to follow me on YouTube, I don't have a YouTube channel. I know. That's not my name, so just don't follow me. Think there are any murderers in here? I'm shook to my core. Yo, can we just get a golf cart?
So we're exploring the deep, dark woods.
Yes, my children. We are pirates.
So I'll be your tour guide for today. So my name's Andrew. So we're pretty much.
Andrew!
Hi.
Hi. Full on entertainment. Like that looks like a giant chimney. So there's something you'd find in Chernobyl, and you shouldn't go to Chernobyl. Hey.
All right, kids.
Welcome back, bro.
Welcome back.
Hey, yo. Good afternoon. That's not my slogan.
Amy, how do you feel about this trail?
I'm shooketh to my core.
You're
She's
shook.
shook. She is shook.
Trash this or something?
Yeah, please make she's sidekick.
There's a haunted furnace.
Wanted. She's sidekick. I'm sidekick.
It follows.
You guys,
Oh, there's a haunted house up here, just saying.
I know.
Guys,
Remember that?
guys, no one will ever watch the movie It Follows. Just don't.
No.
Yo, the Burke's pointing this way.
You know, Amy, I'm not even joking. There's a haunted house up here. Good content. There is.
I want to go in it.
Well, no, it's not haunted, but we thought it was.
That makes for good clickbait. Where is it?
It does make for good clickbait.
I still no.
Search,
clickbait.
say Andrew and kids explore haunted house.
I'll explore it, to be honest.
No, we're not.
well,
It's trespassing. That's trespassing, Ryan.
I went through my old school because they left the doors open.
Ready, guys? We're gonna jump this puddle. It's okay.
It's a turtle.
Guys, the road's all the way over there.
Where's the haunted house?
It's next to it, but I really don't want to go near there.
What, the haunted
Guys,
house?
can we not go near the haunted house? Because, like,
Why?
it scares me. Oh, wait, we're not going to be able to get over this puddle.
Yeah, we can. We just walk around. Oh, wait. Let's just go to it to observe.
Yeah, we're going to have to stop here, kids.
No, we can make that jump.
All right,
We can do it.
Move, Ryan, move.
Ryan, I'd like to see you try.
Oh, all right. Watch this. I'm gonna do it with you.
If Allie can do it, I can do it.
Look at Amy. Literally. Look at Amy.
Amy! Oh, Kelsey. Kelsey's going to be the one to fall in.
No, because Ryan will push me. That's why I'm not going before him.
I just got these shoes yesterday.
I'm going last.
Oh, God.
Bleach and vinegar.
I made it. Oh, Kelsey just made it narrowly.
I'm not gonna make this. Oh, okay.
Trash. Hold on. Hold this. Hold this.
Ow! No!
Come on, trash.
You can too.
Wait, hold on. Let me video.
Just don't stop midway through. Just go.
Yeah, you gotta go. Oh, poor trash. All right, let's go. Let's go, kids.
I didn't die.
Oh, guys, we have obstacle number 2.
Save
Oh.
Alex.
This is an easier obstacle.
Except you. Yes. I told Adam that one time. I was like, I legit don't get it. I don't like it over here. Can we leave? I wore my bad Converse for this reason. I wore flip-flops.
Why? People are in shorts and there are mosquitoes and other
Oh, yeah, you're right.
malaria-carrying insects over here.
All right, looks like we're gonna have
Disease in still waters like yellow fever. You should not go near them. That's how the whole population of Philadelphia was wiped out in 1793.
Oh my
All right, guys, looks like we're turning around.
Bro, you have a bunch of blood on the back of your leg.
That's okay, I'll wipe it off.
Dude, my head hurts like that.
Sorry. That was a bad throw by Trash.
Take your shoes off. Come on up with some costumes.
She's not kidding though.
Somebody get them! Adam, get them!
Oh my god. Where are they?
In the hole in the ground.
Oh, that's those rest in peace shoes.
Wait, where's the second one?
They're both in a different hole.
is one in?
Can you get it?
Dude,
How deep is that?
Bro, this is like pretty dang deep.
My
Look
feet
it.
are all covered in mud.
Oh my god.
We're not leaving
cover
them
them out.
Don't worry.
I am.
Somebody get a stick.
There's not one in there.
It's in that hole, stupid.
I know.
Andrew, just get it. Your shoes are already covered in mud, okay? You can walk
Gone
them.
wrong.
I'm gonna lose
Andrew, I need those flip-flops.
Adam's just videoing.
Come on, Allie.
My phone's not water
Go!
Andrew! I need those flip-flops. Andrew, move! Get out! I got this.
Go. Amy's got it.
These are my new shoes.
I just got these yesterday.
Soap
You're
and
in
water.
your bag, Congress. Can you get them?
No.
Those are over there. I can't get them. I physically can't.
Take your shoes and socks off.
Allie, your feet are already dirty. Just go in and get them.
I feel like I'll fall in. You got this. Don't worry. If you fall in, we'll get you.
Yeah.
You're like, Andrew, get them. Your shoes are dirty.
Allie, just go get them.
Get them.
I almost died.
Make a make a
Get Adam
run.
your phone. Oh
Get
my
some
god,
of your
look at how deep the hole is.
I honestly don't think I'm gonna make it.
That would be funny.
Allie, where'd you lose the first one?
Right there.
They're getting covered up. Someone
No,
get
one
them.
of them is over there.
All right, Allie, you gotta make a run.
I can't get them. How am I supposed to freaking
Okay.
run if I'm trying to get the shoe?
Allie, you gotta go, step, grab as hard as you can, pull.
I'm not losing my.
Go.
Bro, you threw your phone at my head.
I'm sorry.
I'm just happy I didn't crack my nose. At first
Again.
it felt
It was like a frog right there. Never mind. That was just a bubble.
Just grab it, grab it. Come on, Allie.
My phone's not waterproof.
Go.
I can't find the first one.
Ellie, it's right there.
Where is it?
In that pile of leaves.
Where?
Right there. Look.
Where the freak
Oh,
is
it's
it?
right here. You see it? It's buried. It's buried. Allie.
No, it's right
Why
here.
did we do
Oh, it's
this?
Oh my god, I can't find it, Andrew.
it's not
in there.
It's right there. Allie, do you see it buried in the water? In the water. Move. It's right there.
In the water.
Allie, it's in the
Ellie,
up.
a little bit
You
ahead
see
of
those leaves? You see the outline of the foot? Right there. Do you see? Right there. Yeah, go, there, to the right.
It's okay, Allie. I can't get. I need this shoe, guys.
Allie, go to the right here.
I can't. I don't know where it is.
Here, give me a stick. I'll throw it right where it is. Allie, right here. Ready?
In that pile of leaves.
Right
It's like
there.
Right there.
I just felt there. It's not there, guys.
Yeah.
Under. I'm gonna die.
Oh my god.
Put your shoe down.
Wait, I've got something. Oh my god, it's a turtle shell. She had a turtle shell in her hand.
What?
This whole endeavor was a disaster.
Allie, right there.
There's a turtle there.
I just say Adam gets it for.
Could be staffing. Yeah. It's a freaking shell.
It's right there. Pick it up. Allie, you're.
Oh my god. Come here.
Amy.
Emma. Where's your stuff? No. Ryan.
Allie will wash you off.
You got this. Come on. You can't walk back with one shoe.
This is the curse.
Bro, I ruined my Yeezys. My fakies.
I ruined mine.
I don't see it.
These shoes off when I get home.
I'm telling you, Andrew, buried in the ground right there, Andrew.
Allie, right here. Oh, not there.
Buried in the ground there, Andrew. It's not there. It's not. I lost it back there.
It's right there. Allie, do Allie, it's in the,
Allie,
up.
a little bit
You
ahead
see
of
those
you.
leaves? Do you see the outline of the foot? Right there. Do you see? Right there. Yeah, there, to the right.
It's okay, Allie. I can't get. I need the shoe, guys.
Allie, go to the right here.